What's the meaning of alligator pear? Alligator pear. Alligator pear. Alligator pear. Alligator pear. Alligator pear.
Alligator pear is another name for avocado, a fruit native to Mexico and Central America. It got this nickname from its tough, scaly skin that resembles an alligator's. Avocados are known for their nutrient-dense flesh that is rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them a popular food among health-conscious individuals. They are also used in various cuisines around the world, often as an ingredient in salads and guacamole. Overall, alligator pears, avocados, are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet.